entire Elite Motorsports group on both sides of this racetrack, as both of these cars are part of that massive team. Green lights, a 17 reaction time for Aaron Stanfield. Does he have enough horsepower to hold off Jeg Coughlin? And at the finish line, Stanfield has doubled up at the U.S. Nationals, Factory X, and now a Pro Stock victory. 017 light, 56-1, outruns a 56-2.
And the presentation of the U.S. Nationals, Wally, will be delivered by Toyota up here at the top end. Aaron Stanfield, the first to double up here at the U.S. Nationals. How forever magical will the date September 2nd, 2024 be?
This is what dreams are made of right here, and it's been a long weekend, and man, I can't thank all these guys enough that's involved in both of my programs. JHG, Melling, all these boys at Elite Motorsports. Mark Ingersoll is a bad dude, and man, I'm trying to wrap my mind around this, but we just won 2 Wallies at the Big Go.
It's all yours, man.
Woo!